Since ancient times, Metatron's cube has been considered a symbol of divine perfection. Its geometry represents the order of the universe and the connection between the material and the spiritual. It is said that the archangel Metatron himself revealed this figure to help us remember the harmony of the cosmos within us. Metatron's cube is composed of 13 circles connected by lines of energy. Within it lie the forms of all creation, the Platonic solids. Each line and each point symbolize the perfect union between spirit and matter, mind and heart, energy and form. That is why it is said that those who meditate on its geometry can align with the universal order. On an energetic level, Metatron's cube acts as a field of protection. Its frequency helps to clear dense thoughts, remove blockages, and restore inner harmony. Every time you visualize it, you activate a network of pure energy that reorganizes your vibration. Using Metatron's cube is simple yet powerful. Activate your energy with EnerCodex books, elevate your vibration, and remember, the universe aligns when you do.